How to use Rocket Encyclopedia Illustrated, each entry as explanation. Within the definition and explanation, certain terms are italicized. Those terms are defined in this encyclopedia. Within explanation, callouts on the illustrations appear in bold space in the text. Figure 323 illustrates the straight injection action of a prototype showerhead injector using water instead of a hazardous propellant. In this test, only one propellant connection is being supplied water. Only one side of the injector orifices are flowing. The showerhead injector is classed as a non-impinging type of injector. The full list of all non-impinging as well as those of the three other major types is presented under injector types. Thrust chamber. Propellant connector. Propellant connection. Injector assembly. Pressure tap. An experimental showerhead injector is tested by Aero General in a flow bench for a flow, pressure drop, and spray pattern. Step into my shower. Abrupt deceleration vehicle. A high-speed vehicle, usually a rocket-propelled sled, that can be rapidly decelerated at a pre-selected rate and brought to a stop by water brakes, friction brakes, and other devices. Explanation. The equipment is particularly designed and operated to test and investigate these deceleration effects upon human bodies, animals, and other test specimens. The name abrupt deceleration vehicle, however, defines any test vehicle that is provided with a means of subjecting it to a controlled deceleration after bringing it up to a high speed. Special meaning of this name in rocket technology pertains to the use of rocket-propelled sleds decelerated by water brakes. The sled slides along an expertly placed level, a metal track on 4 or more metal slippers, thus reducing the minimum friction and vibration during high-velocity travel. Figure 1 shows a technician examining a slipper, the propulsion sled of a complete test vehicle. Track rail and detailed track construction are visible. The biggest abrupt deceleration vehicles are brought to a sudden controlled stop where they rush into the water brake sections of the track. At this time, a scoop or scoops projecting downward below the sled enter a long trail of water and become operational. The retarding and arresting force is obtained by scooping up a stream of water, accelerating it from zero velocity in the trail to a velocity equal to or exceeding the vehicle velocity. This is the same retarding force the reader experienced if he were to rapidly move his hand, scoop-shaped, of course, to a tub of water. Shows a historic run and abrupt deceleration vehicle as it makes a rapid deceleration from the top speed of 632 miles per hour. Record force of 35 Gs, 35 times his body weight, was experienced by Colonel John P. Stapp, USAF, during this phase. Tremendous clouds of water building outward from the sled ducts indicate the powerful action of the water brakes. T-32 jet airplane flying above the sled carried a photograph who filmed the entire run. Unused rocket mount. Solid propellant rocket engine with canted nozzle directed inward. Slipper. Propulsion sled. Track rail. Technicians checking the slipper on a rocket propulsion sled high-speed rapid deceleration test run.